In this video, I'll show you how to view Instagram stories anonymously. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, first things first, open Instagram. Right here at the top, as you can see, you will see all the accounts that you follow and the stories that they have posted. You can do two different things to view their stories anonymously. This is not 100% guaranteed, but in most cases it can work. So what you're going to do is to open up the story right next to the one that you wish to see, and then you're gonna select it and gently swipe to the left. If you don't want them to find out that you saw their story, you do have to be very gentle, because if you let your finger go, chances are it will automatically open their story like this. Another thing you can try is to simply drag down your screen and select airplane mode. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi is on, so pretty much turn off your signal. Then what you're going to do, refresh your screen, and once you're offline, go ahead and select the person's story. Since you don't have any signal, chances are Instagram won't register your view. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and let me know if this method works.